Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the IO1 initialization failed blue screen error on Windows 10, now either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to run the online blue screen troubleshooter, and this can be accessed on the Microsoft website. Next solution would be to update all the drivers in your system, and as easy as it sounds, if you start doing it individually it would be a very difficult task. So go to downloadcenter.intel.com and search for Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Download this application and run it to update all the drivers at once. If this helps, well and good. Otherwise, rebuild the BCD or the boot configuration data file in Windows 10. Now there's a command for this. Copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste this command and hit enter. It says boot file successfully created. After this, you can set the use platform clock to true, and this has been mentioned in the fourth solution here. All you need to do is copy this first command to the command prompt window and then the second command to the command prompt window, and it says the operation completed successfully. If everything else fails, then obviously the last solution is to perform a system restore, and this has been explained over a different article and video. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.